Hi guys, just doing a quick video on the lower links. Have a, I think 16, 15 Cayenne GTS, replacing the links. But then basically you replace these links compared to the OE one, this one, right? So then you go a little longer, so then your car will get lower. The longer you adjust, the lower the car will go. Okay, now you have a question. Oh, so is the front and rear different? Like how much should I adjust? So then the front and the rear link from stock is actually the same length. See? So then what you want to do is lower. Then you will be afraid. Oh, hey, like will I have suspension fall, anything like that? So then what you want to do, adjust all 4 new links at the same. So you adjust them at the same height. Then you will not get any fault codes.